Tong saw Sir Alex Ferguson grab one of his old Manchester United teammates during a half-time outburst. The former fullback felt the full force of Fergie's infamous hairdryer treatment during his time at Old Trafford.
Tong was the legendary United boss, first signing after joining the Red Devils as a schoolboy in January 1987. He went on to become a regular in the youth and reserve sides as part of a group known as Fergie's Fledglings.
However, he was once met with an enraged manager whilst travelling with the first team. Tong explained, "United were playing Newcastle in the FA Cup at St James Park. Read more in FOOTBALLTOP. Seller England away kit sells more than home shirt for first time ever after cross-row Hot Wheels win a Porsche 992 GT3 rupees or £275,000 cash alternative from 89p with our discount. It was 0-0 at halftime and he let rip at a number of players, grabbing one who he tried to hang on a peg. When Fergie lost his temper, he really lost it. I was just a young kid and had never witnessed anything like it."
Despite starring in the youth and reserve sides, Tong left United in 1991 after not being offered a new contract. After 3 years with Exeter, the defender was forced to retire due to a serious back issue.
Most read in Football Terror Threat Euro 2024 terror warning to England fans after dangers rise to new level. No hard feelings. Moyes gives brutally blunt 4-word assessment of Calvin Phillips. Substars Hell. England goalkeeper Ellie Roebuck reveals she suffered a stroke. Gore. Blimey. Gordon gets red card and MOTM at the same time in never before seen moment. Casino special. Best casino welcome offers that setback saw Tong turn to education as he completed a degree in sports science. He has since added a master's in philosophy and a PhD focused on the critical times in footballers' careers.
Inside Sir Alex Ferguson's biggest bust-ups. Tong now lectures at the university campus of football business in Manchester. The 52-year-old has also revealed details of his journey from football to education in his book titled From Red to Read.